everyone. So today we're going to be reviewing, I'm going to give you my honest opinion on this Honeywell 52-inch Duval indoor outdoor ceiling fan. So a couple of cool things about the ceiling fan. For one, the versatility. So you can install this outdoor like it is here, or you can put this indoor. And the cool thing about this is that the blades do resemble that of a palm tree or palm leaves, as you can see. So nice little tropical design, which is actually pretty cool. Also, it is very quiet when it is spinning, which is another cool feature about this. It does come with this pull string, so you can pull it and then just go ahead and turn it on. So pretty cool. There is two of them, as you can see. Easy to install. Give this a try. I highly recommend it.